Compared to our other vacuum, it's a little louder than that vacuum. As you can see there, it does a map of the whole house. It pretty much can tell where it has not vacuumed and where it has vacuumed. So right now it's vacuuming the living room. It does like a little S pattern. There it goes. Like furniture detection. If it was this one would probably push the cat's bed farther into the corner. The iRobot Roomba has a lot of edge detection and furniture detection as well. But it's a lot louder than that one. Right now we have it on eco mode, so it's not as loud, but if I were to put it on performance mode, it's super loud. Super loud. So right now it's on eco mode. As you can see, it did the S pattern here. Now it's going to do the S pattern pretty much throughout the whole house. It maps itself out and then pretty much vacuums the whole house in about 30 minutes.